Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say I still a win.
I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again.
Hello and welcome to Whatever Is Beautiful. So today I have a video for you guys. I've been gone for some time. I haven't been anywhere. I just haven't been filming, but I'm coming back. It's only been like a month. Like it's the end of July. The last video I put out was like beginning of July, and the reason I haven't been putting out any content is because I haven't been filming any content. Like I did film a video. I filmed a Fashion Nova haul, but I didn't upload it because while I was editing the video, I just didn't like the video, so I just didn't want to upload it. But I have some goodies. So I've been going through my emails and I've been getting back to some of these wig brands that want to do some collabs with me. And so today I'm going to be doing a video with one wig, but that's like we have some content coming. But I'm showing you this because we have some content coming. And so, you know, I want to promote these wig brands so they can keep sending me wigs so I can keep making content for you guys. But today I have one of the wigs here ready for you guys. Oh, this is the bag. This is cute. It's just it looked like it didn't come like this. It came in a black, just like a black parcel or package, whatever. But I live in a household where people like to open my mail, so it's not in its original packaging, but that's fine because this packaging is cute. So yeah, this one, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this one is a synthetic wig. But y'all know, like, I don't got nothing against the synthetic wigs. Like, I like the little synthetic wig, especially if it's giving human. Like, a synthetic unit that gives human, I love those, because I don't remember which Amazon brand this is from, so I'm just gonna, like, leave a picture and link them down below. Basically, they just sent me some lashes and some wig caps. And I'm happy. I like when the wig brands send wig caps because mind you, I just bought some, so like, you know, now I'm like overly like I definitely have enough wig caps, especially with now I have like 2 other units, so I'm pretty sure they sent wig caps in here. I don't know why I bought wig caps, but I didn't have any, so I just had to make sure I had wig caps for when I need to do my videos. But anyways, wig brands, I love when you guys send wig caps. And then they just sent these lashes, like. I appreciate it, but I don't know, I think like even if those were the only lashes I had in my, I wouldn't. So it's just a straight unit. Again, I'm gonna have to like leave the information for the wig somewhere because I genuinely just don't remember. She's shiny. But you know, we gotta take the shine out. Like that's what all synthetic is. They're gonna be shiny. So I gotta take the shine out of here. Right. She's a 13 by 4 T-part unit. So it's definitely some lace. I like when they, you know, leave a lot of lace. But she definitely will T-part. So I'm gonna go in and try to pluck the little area that we do have. And then I gotta braid this and I cut my hair last August and it's the end of July. We're rolling around August again. Like I literally like went like buzz cut, like completely off. And I'm like ready to cut my hair again because it's just I don't know what to do with it. Like I don't even want to braid it down. Like I like the time when I could just put a wig on my head without having to braid it down. Even when I had to slick it down, that was fine, but having to actually braid this. Right now, so I just have the hair placed on the wig head. I'm gonna go in and do something like I do this with majority, basically all my units. Like I never go and put a unit on my head without plugging the base. Me personally, I just feel like if y'all seen how this came out, like I started plugging, but like that's not really, you know. I want a little bit, you know, I want to look like Scout. And when it got like a harsh hairline where it's just like, you know, a wig hairline, like it's obvious it's a wig, and we want to get Scout, so we want to mimic a Scout when you're plucking, and kind of just like when I'm plucking, I kind of just skip a little bit, like how it looks after I'm done plucking, but I just basically go in and skip the trim. I think I went over a little bit of plucking in one of my other videos, but if y'all want me to, I can always do like a very detailed video on my plucking. Usually I would use like a white towel or something, but I'm just trying to get used to it because I got this wig to install, I got two other wigs to install, and possibly more to install. I feel like I think with this one, I think with this wig, I might do like the ball hairstyle or something, just because it's a tuck. And so, you know, I always, every time I do a wig install, I always just kind of like do a side part or a middle part. So I think I'm gonna do like a little ball hairstyle because it already comes in the middle part. Okay, so I just got done plucking this side. If you're able to tell that I'm plucking, then you're able to tell. If not, for real, I don't feel like you're gonna waste the time to pluck because regardless, at the end of the day, I'm gonna pluck my base. I didn't want to get too heavy-handed on plucking just because there's not too much to pluck. So I didn't want to pluck too much to the point where the tracks would be showing. But just want to pluck enough to the point that it's not such a straight line, such a straight hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and pluck this side, and then pluck the part, and then we're going to install. Okay. So I finished plucking the wig. So we just went ahead and pluck the front. Put it in and pluck the middle. Now that that's all done, we're gonna go ahead and braid this down. I'm not really gonna get I'm not gonna do a detailed braid down. I'm literally just gonna braid like. Realistically, this is gonna be like 9 braids. If I could do 6 braids, I would love that, but my hair's too big for that, and the wig's not gonna lay flat. So before a flat install, I'm gonna have to do at least 9 braids. So I'm looking into that. Done putting some braids in my head. So I thought I was gonna be doing 9, but I ended up doing 6. This one right here, honestly, could be a 2. This is a bit big. But other than that, I'm ready to just do wigs. First, we have our wig cap here. I did say I was gonna style the wig. So yeah, I'm gonna put my wig cap on first, so it can be drying while we style the wig.
Okay, so I had to come on and do a voiceover because in this video I lied. I said that I would be styling this hair I believe I said I was going to be doing the claw clip hairstyle, and I did in fact try to do the claw clip hairstyle as you see in the video, but it didn't turn out how I wanted it to. It didn't, like, you know, the T-part wig, it wasn't enough frontal, like hair on the frontal to be covering the hair, the tracks. So you're gonna watch me try and style this, and yeah.
With my ratchet ass friends.
Okay guys, I'm back. So right now I'm just getting ready to go to work. I have work. I work late overnight as a ward. So I'm tired, like I literally just woke up. But basically my hair has been melting while I've been asleep. So this is the finished look. I actually have to install another wig when I get off of work this morning. Or I have to install another wig when I get off in the morning. So I installed this one after getting off after last night. So then tomorrow morning, since it's still 11 right now, I'll be installing, I think I'm going to be installing the 10-inch bot that Amazon sent me. I don't know what brand sent it to me, so I'm going to have to like leave it, leave a link, a little preview image here or something. But other than that, this is actually a nice little wig for synthetic. I wish that I didn't put Edmund spray in the front because, like I said in the earlier clip, I was going to try and do a little style with the T-part, the little claw clip, but there wasn't like a lot of parting space right here. Like the parting space is really stuff right here. Where the tracks are. So I was just like, okay, like whatever. Just do like a little simple look because I'm going to take this off in the morning anyways. I just wanted to see how it went. So I actually I put like the elastic band on my head. I didn't even tie it down, I didn't braid it or anything. Like I just like slept on it, and it didn't even like tangle to the point where it's like, oh my god, like it's so thin. Like I'm literally just been combing through it. This one, it's not stiff. We love a good synthetic that's not stiff. So you can always fix the shine by adding a little bit of baby powder, flour, cornstarch, anything that's of that consistency. It's gonna take the shine right out. I heard people say dryer sheets. I've never tried that, but to each his own. If it works for you, it works for you. I use a little bit of baby powder to brush it through. But I'm gonna throw a hat on. Look like it's really not bad. Like I can get down and dirty with this. You know? But that's really good. And that's pretty much it for this video. So like I said, we're gonna have some more content coming. I got 2 more weeks to install that I'm aware of this week, and we got more coming throughout the week. So hopefully I can keep up with everything that's coming in the mail for me to show you guys. But again, this is the wig. You guys can go and find that in my Amazon storefront link, which the link will be below. You guys can check out my Amazon storefront. You guys can check out my Instagram, my TikTok. All of the links are going to be down below, so don't forget to check that out. But that's all for today. That's all for tonight. I hope you guys have a good night, a good morning, a good day. And I'm so tired, but this is my good night to you guys. And let me go to work.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say I still a win.